production number dedicated to the one and only
Ang haba ng introduction.
TL Maria. Let's give them a big round of applause. In 3. In 3. In 3, 2, 1.
Ano ka maingay?
Pasok.
Taray. Ano to?
Yeah.
Oh, ang sweet naman.
More TL. Come on, guys.
Thank you. Kanta.
We love you. With all our hearts.
May liba ko sa Monday.
Guys.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Talented daw ni Hiro. Ang gwapo ni Hiro. Ang nagigitaro. Charot. Yes, talented na.
That's where you're amazing, just the way you are.
Ano, ang haba pa niya.
She's so beautiful.
Gwapo.
Every day.
Ano kayo?
Oh, you know, I never ask you to stay. Perfect structure, searching for this to stay the same. Oh, even rather ask
Let's
you
relax.
you know I say, when I see your face,
Cut it out.
there's not a thing that I would change.
May pakoral.
You're amazing, just the way you
Hello?
One more time.
Wow.
That's the way you are.
May end.
The whole world stops and stares for a while. You're amazing, just the way you are.
Priya Mat.
The way you are.
Wow, may Ryan.
The way you are.
Mak.
Girl, you're amazing.
Where's Catherine?
Just the way you
Your eyes, your eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much. That is so sweet. Happy Halloween.
Give us
Ay!
Okay.
Uy,